This plant is a native plant, which attracts native pollinators. This isn't our only native plant that I would recommend. We have tons throughout New York State. They help support pollinators, which according to a 2022 survey, it says that pollinators are declining by 38 to 60%. This threatens our wildflowers, insect diversity, and crops, specifically things in New York like strawberries, pumpkins, apples. Bees are ground nesting, and there are some cavity dwellers as well. So having items like wood or rocks, things that pollinators can burrow into and under to create homes is a really good benefit for them. This helps, having designated pollinator gardens, specifically also planting native species, really helps bring in our native pollinators. Planting 3 flowers that bloom in the spring, 3 that bloom in the summer, and 3 that bloom in the fall, and then also having just a mix that kind of bloom whenever in there.